getting streamer videos today. So I know on my page some of you guys have seen me post this lash lift kit. It's eyelash perming. So what it does is it just makes sure that your eyelashes are up like this. Like if you had mascara on, I know y'all have been seeing this go around the internet. I'm kind of scared to use it, but you know what I mean. You never know until you try it. So that's what we're about to do. And if you're interested in this video, you know exactly what to do. I'm gonna have y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna get my eyelash permed for y'all. So in this kit, it comes with the false lash glue. So you're gonna use that to put these on your eye, and to hold your lashes up. It comes with the perm solution. It comes with the fixation, and then it comes with the nutrition, and then it comes with the cleanser, and then it comes with the cleaning tool, and it comes with the lift pads. So you're gonna put this on your eye, and then you're just gonna follow these steps. And it does have it on the box too, like your directions. So if you ever get lost, you just refer to your directions. So we are about to see what this does to my lashes, you guys. Yeah, we're about to see. So first, I'm gonna take one of these little, what are they called? The lift pads, and I am going to put the lash glue on the back of it so that it sticks to my eye, because it doesn't have anything sticky on it, so it's not just gonna stick to your eye. So I'm gonna put some of that on there. And it's just lash glue, so I'm assuming these come off pretty easily, but we shall see. So now that you look crazy, you're gonna take a little bit more of the lash glue. This is how I've seen it be done. You're gonna put that on your lashes. So I don't have any plastic film, but it does have the directions to cover with plastic, so I'm just using the plastic little baggie that the little eye pads come in. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna leave this on for 8 to 12 minutes, and we'll see if my eyelashes curl. Hopefully I did it right. I don't know, kind of slow, but we shall see. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but it did a little bit of something. Let's see. So it's lifted a little bit more versus this one. I don't know if y'all could tell. But I am about to do this one. I learned some things that I didn't do in the first part that I should have done. So I'm about to do the second one, and I'm gonna do it right this time. So let's see the results. after your lashes are glued down, then you can go in with your perming solution. So what I didn't do in the first one was you're supposed to do this for 8 to 12 minutes first, and then you'll take the next step and you're gonna also do that for 8 to 12 minutes. So get a good little amount. Don't get too much so it doesn't like drip in your eye. And plop that on there. So now you're gonna cover that with a plastic film and you're gonna let that sit for 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, so now I am on step 3. So I'm gonna remove all of that stuff with the nourishing. I'm not removing it, I'm just nourishing my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna go in with step number 4. And step number 4 is the cleanser. I feel like with this being my first time, I did okay. I know they could probably be better than what they are now, but it's my first time, so I'm learning the whole kit and caboodle type thing. And then I don't know, I feel like it did its job, obviously. But yeah, like I was saying, this is my first time doing this, so I feel like next time I do it, I feel like it'll be better. But you can definitely tell the difference. I know y'all can, because I'm like, I can. So yeah. If you enjoyed this video, if I didn't make it too complicated, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment any questions you might have that I can hopefully answer for you guys. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe after this. But I see a difference. My eyelashes are definitely up. And they gotten pretty long. But yeah, it's simple, easy to use. All the steps are in there, so you can't really, I don't feel like you can't really mess up, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you just follow the directions on the kit, I feel like you now your your eyelid is gonna be pretty sticky, so I would advise taking like a hot rag and just kind of cleaning them off, because they're pretty sticky still. But I feel like the kit did work, y'all. Because my eyelashes are definitely up more. Yep. Bye.